JBNN will keep you informed. I'm Michelle Jones, and in the news, Jamaica rattled by 5.4 earthquake. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment, and click the notification bell to receive our daily news items.
Documented in a CARICOM statement. Fine. Why did we miss the vote then? We're having an earthquake. Oh God.
That's an earthquake?
Are we still on? Yes. That was a heavy jolt.
Sections of Jamaica were rattled Monday by a strong earthquake, which damaged buildings and sent items flying off shelves in homes and business establishments. According to the United States Geological Survey, the magnitude 5.4 earthquake was felt at 10:57. The tremor was also felt in the Bahamas, Haiti, Cuba, and United States minor outlying islands. The earthquake was located 30 kilometers from Kingston. Electricity and telecommunication services have been disrupted as a result of the tremor. Meanwhile, several buildings across the corporate area have been evacuated following this morning's earthquake. Court matters in downtown Kingston have been adjourned. Chief Justice Brian Sykes said the buildings were evacuated according to emergency protocols. Sykes said this morning's quake has reinforced the need for a review of disaster drills. The Jamaica Constabulary Forces, Public Safety and the Traffic Enforcement Branch is urging the public to be cautious when approaching traffic lights rendered inoperable following the earthquake.
I say thing there. See you my voice catching it there.
Earthquake in Kingston. Cement factory collapse. Cement factory collapse. Big earthquake downtown. Cement factory collapse.
JBNN will keep you informed. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment, and click the notification bell to receive our daily news items.